gave me a lot of experience, opportunity to work with great people. I learned a lot, and definitely a great experience.
This project is very important to me, as it has been the biggest project I was working on.
It's really super excitement to be part of it, and I am very grateful for that.
لا مكان لكلمة مستحيل.
It's been a great partnership with Boeing and Strata to accomplish the completion of the first vertical fin.
It would be friendship.
Foundation for the future.
قصة فخر ونجاح.
To me, this project means a successful partnership.
It's a national pride.
So if I had to sum it up in one word, I would say excitement. I'm excited to be here, excited for Strata's accomplishment, and excited to see these two teams come together to accomplish something so amazing.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be joined by Ismail Abdullah from the shop floor to unveil the first vertical fin assembled here with pride in Al Ain.
قبل 8 أشهر شهر 4 اللي مضى وقفنا هنا وتكلمنا عن أهمية الإنجاز. تكلمنا عن أهمية استمرارية الأعمال في جميع الظروف، لا سيما الظروف الصعبة. واليوم نحتفل معاكم بإنجاز جديد لشركة ستراتا للتصنيع، وهو تصنيع المثبت العمودي لطائرة البوينغ 787 دريم لاينر. وهذه الشحنة الأولى التي سوف يتم تصديرها من هنا دولة الإمارات إلى الولايات المتحدة الأمريكية.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. And now, here we start with the Q&A session along with the CEO of Strata, Ismail Ali Abdullah. Mr. Ismail, thank you very much for being with us today to address some of the media questions and to share your thoughts on this journey.
It's a pleasure to be with you here, Hamdan.
Thank you very much. The first question we received was, what does it mean for Strata and the wider aviation industry to deliver the first shipset of the Boeing 787 vertical fin?
10 years ago, Hamdan, we've embarked on a journey with Boeing to start manufacturing products for them, and we had a vision to become a strategic partner of choice for the Boeing company. We've started with a number of projects with 3 production lines, mainly manufacturing ribs for Boeing on the 777, the 787 and the 777X. And 4 years ago, back in 2016 at Farnborough Air Show, we have signed with them a contract to manufacture the vertical fin of the 787. Fast forward 2020, we are celebrating the production of the first shipset of the 787 vertical fin during the most difficult time for this industry. And I'm very proud of the achievement that we have made today.
It's outstanding that in spite of all the challenges the world was facing, that you guys were able to deliver to your commitments. Tell us more about the people who work on the production line of Strata Plus, and what additional training did they take prior to launching this production line?
A major production line like this is very complex, and it requires operational plans. It also requires some training plans. So we had our engineers and technicians being trained at Boeing facilities in the States, and you can imagine, you know, from March onward with the pandemic, we have made some strategic decisions to bring people back before the shutdown and the lockdown in the US. We had actually asked some people to stay during the lockdown to ensure that they get the proper knowledge and proper training. So it was a lot of fun to manage. Yes, it was a difficult time, but everyone working on this line really stepped up, and it shows that during difficult times what people can do. I'm proud of my engineers, of my technicians. Today we have around 50 people working on this production line, and once we ramp up, probably we're going to be around 80 people. Our Emiratization rate or Emiratization target is to be comparable to Strata, the rest of the production line, so it will be at around 60%.
I'm sure since you are now, your company is building a state-of-the-art aircraft component, which is the vertical fin. There was a really huge investment in terms of technology. Okay, can you elaborate more on that? What was the investment?
One of the streams that we've worked with Boeing on is actually related to research and technology. So we have a number of projects with them. One of these projects is actually to introduce robotic drilling into the vertical fin, and the team is working with the Boeing team on that. And hopefully in the coming years we will be seeing that robot actually working here on this production line here at Strata Plus.
Since the topic nowadays is the pandemic and how people are dealing with it, were there any delays in terms of supply chain for Strata, or in terms of sharing these kind of resources to Strata? Were there any difficulties or delays? Truly outstanding, truly outstanding. Fortunately, the year is coming to an end now, and with the vaccination as being the highlight of the end of the year around the world, do you see any further challenges or changes on the airplane demands in the world that could potentially impact the manufacturing industry in the upcoming years?
From an aviation perspective, this is one of the largest or the largest single event over the past 100 years. Airlines, manufacturers, companies in the supply